friends, I am Rochan and today I am going to show you the review of Syberia-OS version 2.0 which is based on Android Pie for Lenovo A6000 which is made by me. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you that the phone is working on Android Pie only. So first we will go to about phone and verify that. As you can see, it's Syberia version 2.0 and it's based on Pi. Syberia is a very smooth ROM and it has very much features. So let's go to the feature section. As you can see, there it is, Syberia settings, and here there are many features like system features, system, and then panels, customization, lock screen, battery settings, and there's about Syberia team also. And this was the features that the ROM gives to us. And I will show you one more thing, that it has the latest security patch. That's November 5. The ROM is quite smooth, and as you can see on the home screen, the Syberia wallpaper is very cool. And then I will show you the battery backup also. How is the battery backup? As you can see, I used Telegram for 1 hour 40 minutes, then only 25% battery drop, and for using 5 minutes, if I use Google for 5 minutes, only 1% battery drain is there. So the battery backup is quite good in this ROM. And I have made another ROM also for Lenovo A6000, and I am officially maintaining it, and its name is PixysOS. So you can see that I will make another video of that ROM also. So please subscribe to my channel. So this was a quick review, guys. Bye.